Billions of soft drink bottles are produced every year. Let's discover how every bottle is made inside a modern factory.
Welcome to Mega Factory Universe. Today we explore the complete journey of a sparkling soft drink.
Every bottle begins with purified water that passes through several advanced filtration and sterilization systems.
Every batch of purified water is carefully tested to meet strict quality and food safety standards.
Purified water and refined sugar are blended into a perfectly balanced syrup.
Natural flavor concentrate is carefully blended to create the drink's signature taste and appearance.
Every ingredient is blended with precision to create a perfectly balanced soft drink base. The beverage is rapidly chilled before carbonation to ensure maximum freshness and bubble retention. Carbon dioxide is carefully infused, creating the refreshing sparkle found in every bottle. Small PET preforms are transformed into strong, lightweight bottles using high-pressure air. Every bottle is thoroughly cleaned and sterilized before the filling process begins. Precision filling machines dispense the sparkling drink into every bottle with remarkable speed and accuracy. Every bottle is automatically sealed to preserve freshness, carbonation, and product quality.
Automatic labeling machines apply every label with exceptional precision and consistency.
Advanced vision systems inspect every bottle to ensure perfect quality before packaging. Individual bottles are grouped into convenient multi-packs for efficient transportation and retail display. Robotic systems pack every carton with remarkable speed, precision, and consistency. Finished cartons are stacked onto pallets and secured for safe transport to warehouses worldwide. Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses before being shipped to retailers around the world.
Efficient warehouse logistics ensure every shipment reaches the loading docks safely and on schedule.
Every shipment is carefully loaded and secured before beginning its journey to stores. From the factory floor, every bottle begins its journey to millions of customers worldwide. After an incredible manufacturing journey, every bottle is ready to be enjoyed.
Every product has a story. Join us next time as we step inside another incredible factory.